In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to successfully navigate QuickBooks, ensuring you can manage your business transactions smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're a novice or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring no important detail is left out. To begin, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks homepage. Open your web browser and type in the URL, or simply click the link if you're following along digitally. Once you're at the QuickBooks homepage, keep an eye out for the menu option. This is the gateway to access some of QuickBooks' most essential features, so go ahead and click on it. Clicking Menu is your starting point for organizing and viewing your business sales information. After accessing the menu, you're going to see an option for Sales. Sales is the hub for your invoices, customer payments, and sales receipts, and it's crucial for tracking the transactions that your business makes. By clicking here, you can start to manage all your sales-related details in one centralized place. Next, from the Sales section, click on Overview. This view offers a comprehensive glance at your sales activities. Think of it as a dashboard that shows key metrics and a summary of your sales history. Having a bird's-eye view of this information can be instrumental in identifying trends and making informed business decisions. Moving on, you'll now want to turn your attention to Quick Actions. This gives you direct access to some of the most commonly used functions within QuickBooks. By clicking here, you can streamline your workflow, focusing only on the tasks that need immediate attention. Once you've familiarized yourself with Quick Actions, let's dive into tasks. This section provides an organized way to see what needs to be completed, offering a checklist of sorts to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Once you've opened up tasks, you can be sure that all critical aspects of your financial management are being taken care of promptly. Now, it's time to view the Income Over Time page. By clicking on this, you can analyze your income over a specified period. This helps not only in budgeting and forecasting, but also in spotting any anomalies that might need immediate attention. Keeping track of income trends can guide your strategies for growth. Additionally, clicking on the Unpaid section will offer insights into any outstanding invoices. Staying on top of unpaid invoices is crucial to maintaining healthy cash flow, and this tool will allow you to monitor them effortlessly. Finally, let's check out the Deposit Tracker. This intuitive tool is essential for tracking pending and completed bank deposits. It ensures accuracy in financial reporting and helps in resolving discrepancies between your QuickBooks account and your bank account. By following these steps, you've effectively utilized QuickBooks to its full potential, ensuring comprehensive financial management for your business. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Good luck and happy accounting!